Hello, good day. My name is Richard Byron Cox, and I'm glad to have you with me. I'm the Capacity Building Officer of the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. As you know, we have the Capacity Building Marketplace, which offers you a tremendous amount of opportunities. And now we have launched our new e-learning platform. And this e-learning platform is basically to give you all the training possibilities, exclusive training possibilities about land degradation, about sustainable land management, about drought, about the process of implementation of this convention. In other words, the e-learning platform is something that you can use so that you can gain more skills, more knowledge, more abilities, capacities to effectively implement the convention. My purpose today is to introduce you to our new e-learning course about the UNCCD. Now, this convention, as most of you would know, is quite a young convention, but this is our 25th year in existence. And I thought it was important that we review and have a new course which shows the developments, that have taken place over the 25 years. Now, this course that we have, this new course, the main purpose or objective of this course is to ensure that you know more about the UNCCD, more not just about the convention itself or the document itself, but about institutions and what they do, and also about the process. So basically, when you take this course, you would know a lot more about what the UNCCD is and how it functions, how it runs. Now, as regards the methodology of this course, what we have done is that we have made it easy for you to gain all the information that you want or that you need to successfully do this course. So firstly, we give you reading materials. Secondly, we do these videos like I'm doing now, which gives you information. Thirdly, we make it possible for you to call us or to write us when you have questions when you're taking the course. Now, basically, the course is structured with 4 different sections. The first section of the course deals with the history of the UNCCD. In other words, where did this convention come from? How did it come into being? Why did it come into being? Who worked on helping to bring it together? So that part of the course, that first part, tells you the history of the convention, where it came from. The second section of the course deals with the institution of the UNCCD. It's one thing to have a document, a legal international document. It's another thing to make it work. And for you to make it work, you have to have certain institutions. And so the second part deals generally with the institutions of the UNCCD, right? And how they function, what are their roles, how were they established, and why they were established. The third section deals with the Secretariat, which is where I work. The Secretariat is basically, first and foremost, the custodian, the international custodian of the process. And we explain to you in that part of the course, what is the Secretariat, when it was established, how does it function, how is it administered, and so on and so forth. And in other words, how is it important to this whole process? This is what that section deal with, the section on the Secretariat. As I said, the Secretariat is the custodian of the process. After that, we then deal with the process itself. In other words, how is this convention implemented? What have been the success? What are the interactions necessary for it to work at the national level, at the sub-regional level, at the regional level, and of course at the global level? So in other words, we try to explain, or we try to give you the chance to understand, how does this process actually work? Now, so there you have the course as regards its structure, right? We start with history and we end up with the process as it is now. Now, in all of that, in each section, we have, as I said, basic reading materials. We have 2 sets of materials. We have basic reading material, which is material that you would have to read in order for you to successfully complete the course. And then we have additional material, which is, if you want to do a little bit more, then you can read that material. So each section gives you that. At the end of each section, there is a quiz. Right? It's a multiple choice quiz. It's rather simple and easy. And so you have to take the quiz. Once you take the quiz of that section, you're then allowed to move on to the other section, and so on and so forth until you reach the last or 4th section of the quiz. At the end of that, you would be asked to write a paper of not less than 500 words, but not more than 1,000 words. And there are different subject areas that you can choose. So this is what the course is really basically about. I will be doing a video to explain to you later how you register for this course, right? What you have to do in order for you to join the course. But until that time, next time, this is just a basic introduction as to what this course, Introduction to the UNCCD, is all about. My name is Richard Byron Cox, and see you next time. Thank you.